Let's talk about Liongard's Cyber Asset Inventory of Identities. This dashboard organizes your user, service, admin, and other discovered identities, simplifying how you classify, audit, and manage your inventory of users. Crucial for managing your attack surface and enhancing user identity visibility. As Liongard finds new email addresses across your deployed inspectors, it will create or merge new identity records, which will then be surfaced in the Discovery tab. Here, you can categorize these identities into the inventory or archive categories as you see fit. Now, clicking on any identity record reveals any associated accounts and lets you view and update detailed information such as identity type, identity status, and location details. The Inventory Data View table also tracks critical details such as account activity, last login date, status information, account type, and more, resulting in an automated, accurate, and compliance-ready inventory of critical security account information. This dashboard is available on all customer environments. Begin exploring Liongard's Cyber Asset Inventory of Identities and manage your cyber environment securely.